Hey guys, so this is an informative video if you have a Samsung washer. We purchased our Samsung washer dryer set in December of 2020 and hadn't had any problems up until last month, which is January of 2024, when all of a sudden on the digital screen, when it would get to like 11 minutes till the load was about to end, it would start this violent shaking and then it would stop. And then it would go into what it was like a UR code. So basically it's saying it's off balance. So my husband did some research on YouTube and he ended up having to order these, which are like struts. I want to say these are what they're called. Apparently Samsung is putting very cheap struts in here, so they only last 2 to 3 years. So apparently we did good by almost, well, we got the 3. But anyways, these struts that we purchased are supposed to last you longer than the ones that Samsung actually includes. And these are the actual 2024 models is what my husband said. So I'm going to take you in there and I'm going to show you what he's doing. But yeah, hold tight. I'm going to show you these parts right here.